Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you like my plan on how I'm actually going to make 50k per month with school. And there is probably no better way to show it to you than in the classical some oven style, just a whiteboard, and I will show you how it is going to work, okay? So in the same system we have made last week, it was $6,000. With the system I'm going to show you, and I will show you how I'm planning to actually scale it to make even more, to make at least like 50k per month or something like that. Okay, so there are like two main models on Skool that I see like people are making mainly money from. So the first one is like a lot of people have like two communities. Usually they have like some free Skool community, one is free and one is paid. So they have free one and paid one, and they just funnel all of the people into the free one, and then they convert the people from the free one into the paid one. So you have the free Skool community. So if we go here, free one, and what they do is that they just have a YouTube, I don't know, YouTube, IG, TikTok, and all of the like social media. And what they do is they just from all of the social media, they funnel the people into their free Skool community, and they give them there some value. They have the community, but usually they have all of the courses locked. And if they want to actually unlock the courses and get like let's say weekly calls and things like that, they will need to pay to access actually the paid one. And here is where they can pay it. So this model is using Hamza is using this model. He have his free Skool community called Adonis Gang, and he have Adonis School. So he just funnel all of the people into the free community, and then he just convert them into his paid Adonis School. Max person, he have the same one, Max Free, Max Premium. So that's the free one and that's the paid one. And this is the model that is working really well if you actually have some kind of audience and you have a lot of traffic into the free one. But what I want to do, like you can see that I don't have like that huge of the following, and that I don't have actually that many people. So what I want to do is to just have a paid one, but it won't be like only just a paid community where you have like the weekly calls and course. Like I want to make like what we have is like the full paid program, so like coaching program where I help people with everything, with how to set it up and everything. So what I have here is not like just paid community, it's like the whole like paid program. So that's what I'm going to do. And the thing that they are charging usually between, I don't know, like usually between like $30 to $150, and they charge it actually monthly. So this is what you can do. Hey, let's have that one Skool community and actually charge something between that like per month. Or like what I do like is that you have actually the paid coaching program, and there you can charge high tickets, so you can go anywhere from $1,000 to, let's say, people are even charging like to $10,000. Maybe even more if you have something like really good. So you can see then people, for example, if you see from Charlie Morgan, Easy Grow, he have there like the paid community on Skool called Easy Grow, and he's charging like, I'm not sure how much is that right now, but it's around $10,000. So this is the paid one he have. I don't think he have a free one, but he's getting all of this traffic just to sales calls, and then he is converting them into the paid one. But the free one is also really good, just to nurture the people, get them inside, and that's how it's going. So this is just the basics, how people are using it. And now I'm going to show you how I will use it without actually leveraging audience, because all of these people, as I just told you right now, Hamza, Max Person, all of the people, like majority of the people that were in the Skool games, like some of them were using ads, but a lot of them were using their own audience. But if you are watching this, you probably don't have that large of the audience, so how are you actually going to leverage it, you know? So I'm going to show you this right now. So all of the people are using YouTube, I don't know, Instagram, TikTok, and everything. And they just make content, get the audience to join their free community, and then they convert them into a paid one. But what I do is that I actually run outreach. Like you might say outreach, like how should I get like enough people from outreach? I can send on like 100 DMs per day or something. No, you can send way more. Like we are doing setups for people where I actually help them send hundreds of thousands of DMs every single month. And so we have like, we have Twitter, X, we have IG, we have Facebook and LinkedIn. And from all of these platforms, we just run outreach, and then we all of them, we are just getting them into the free community. So from Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, we just run automations to actually send DMs to our targeted prospects. So like, let's say we are right now targeting online coaches and agency owners and people that are making money online from selling some kind of skill. So that we are just target those people on those platforms. We send them DM if they want to join our free group, and we tell them that we have there's more free value. They can ask me any questions, my brother any questions. There is like free course they can also watch. So if they want to join the free, they have the community. They have the free course they can watch. They have those are like the main things. They have actually me that I can like answer some questions and things like that. But mainly is they have the community, they have the free course. I'm putting there some value, I'm posting there like every week, some valuable posts actually helping them scale. So I just, all of the people, get them into the free community. And this is the part, like, it's easier if people actually have audience, it's easier for them to actually convert them into the paid one, because people already know them and they know that they want to buy from them. Like if I outreach somebody, they don't know me. Like I just like send them the message, they join my community, but who the fuck am I? Like, why should they buy actually from me? So that's what we do then. So we actually get them inside of the free community, so they can access the community. We made the free course they can watch, and then we also like funnel them to our YouTube channel. So like you might think like that YouTube is really good just to get people and like generate traffic with it. But the main point for me, how I'm actually using YouTube, is just to like nurture people, like to get people to know me even more, to trust me and build some kind of relationship there. So then we get them in the free community. We just do like some posts and things like that to actually get them on my YouTube, so they can watch my YouTube channel. They'll get a little bit nurtured, they know me and everything. They watch the free course, they are in the community. I can actually get them on other social media, so actually also like IG helps, because I'm posting their content every single day. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go and do it right now. David Hampel, just like I'll put it in there. And yeah, this will get them even more nurtured. So I get them to my YouTube and IG. We are doing also with my brother, so we get them also to his YouTube. And then what we are going to do is to provide a lot of free value. And then sometimes we also reach out to the people inside the community. And those ones who get some value but want even more value, like I'm showing there how to set up some automated systems like in a free course, but if they want me to do it for them, or if they want to do it also on other platforms, or if they want to set up this exact system, want me to set up for them, then they can schedule up a call with me. So usually, as I said, like if you have the free community and the paid community, you just pay monthly, some like a monthly fee. But in this case, what's happening right here is that it isn't that simple. Like you go from the free course, from the free community, then those people who actually want and want more value will actually book a call. So here, book call, and we have everywhere just calendar link. You know, we have there like the courses that we actually have in the paid one. In the paid program, we have there all of the courses. If people want to access it, like they need to book a call with us, and if they want to join weekly calls, they need to book a call with me. So that's how we actually get them to book the call, also like through DMs. And then if they book a call, if they actually seem like a good fit and they want to work with me, then we funnel them inside my paid program. And right now, once they join it, they will actually get access like to the full course. They will get access to the paid community. They will get access to one-on-one calls with me and with my brother. One-on-one calls with me and my brother, and weekly calls also as well, where we go over everything. So this is where we actually get them the value. And this is just like the simple how is this funnel working, okay? So you actually get people from outreach on all of the social media to your free community. From the free community, you nurture them even more through your content, through your free course. Like if you don't have like any content on YouTube, like just start doing content. Like it isn't even taking that much time if you make some YouTube videos. Like you don't have to make them like every single day like I'm doing right now, but still like YouTube helps a lot in this. So if you want do YouTube, like you can still do it without it, just from the free community and with the course and community. but YouTube always helps, okay? So don't forget on YouTube, like this is a huge thing. Then once they book a call, they can join our paid program and they get access to everything. Or what sometimes happens is they just want to book a call and want me to set it up for them. So for example, what happens to me a lot of the times is people come to me and tell me, hey David, I like what you are doing, I like your system, I also want to be able to send, let's say, 100,000 DMs per month on Instagram, set it up whole for me. I will say, okay, give them the price, set it up for them, give away the system, and they can do whatever they want with it. And if they want more support and me to help them in the future, actually set up also like different platform, they can join the paid program. And so how we are going to actually make the most money out of this? Because like right now, if I'm running my free school community, it's like month and a half or something. We have right now 460 members. 460 members, if I got it right. I checked it today. So from 460 members, we have already closed a lot of people. But let's say right now, like we aren't doing that huge of the outreach because I'm still waiting for some tools, but we are doing outreach from Instagram, from Facebook. But we don't have there even like that many accounts. We have like 20 Instagram accounts, 14 Facebook accounts. But I want to also do Twitter. I'm just waiting right now till we finish the tool on Twitter. Then I can send like 300,000 DMs per month. But right now we are sending, I don't know, like let's say 1,000 DMs per day. 1,000 DMs per day, and we got like within 1.5 months, we got 460 members. But let's say we will be sending right now 10,000 DMs per day. And it isn't that hard to set up, like, and even it isn't that expensive. Like if I'm setting it up, like to set up actually 10,000 DMs per day, it's 300,000 DMs per month. If you actually use X, Twitter, where the limitations are really high, you can set up like 15 or 16 accounts that will send in total 15 accounts that will send in total 10,000 DMs per day. Or how much do you need? 20, probably 20. And then you are sending 10,000 DMs per day, but it isn't even that expensive. You just need to pay for the accounts, for the verify blue check mark, and then for the automation too. Isn't that much? So if we would be sending 10,000 DMs, we would right now have 4,600 members within 1 month and something. So this is what we are going to do. I will just 10x the volume, man. And if I 10x the volume, you will get 10x more members inside and I will make 10x more money. This is how it's working. Like if you funnel more people inside, you will get more people to book calls with you and you will get more people to actually buy your paid program. So what is it mainly about is to get the most volume out of the funnel inside actually the free community. And once you have a free community with loads of people, it isn't that hard to actually sell them. If they actually know you, they trust you, but you can easily build it. Like if you join my free community, it's in the description. I have their free course on how I'm actually setting up this free community and how I'm sending like thousands of DMs right here. So you can just copy me. It's completely for free there, so you can go check it out. But you just set it up, the free community right in a way that actually people trust you, they like you, the community is actually active, people like to hang out there, and they also watch your course, free course. Then like it's pretty easy to book a call. And right now the thing is that you don't need to have like paid coaching program. You can also do service, like as I said before, what happens to us a lot of the times is that people want like done for us service for them, and it's something that I can do as well. So if you are running agency, this is also like valid method to get clients. So instead of just like paid program, one-on-one coaching course and weekly calls, you will just have like whatever the thing you are selling, editing or whatever you may be selling, ads or anything. It works the same way. So this is the funnel. And this is how I actually going to make the money. Just get the people from outreach into the free community, nurture them, they will book a call with me, get them inside my paid program, and here I get paid. Okay? This is how it's working. This is everything for you guys in this video. If you want me to set up the same system I just show you right now on this whiteboard, schedule a call with me down below right now. Like in the description, I will just leave a link where you can schedule a call directly with me and help you set this thing up. You can schedule up a call now, okay? And this is everything for this video, and see you guys in the next one.